What's up? Okay, so I just wanted to make a video on the updated RFI trading journal um, thing, like the updates we have done so far and everything. It's essentially now a free Tradezella alternative. Um, so we've done a few big updates, but it looks like this now. So you can hide the advanced stats. Then you have all your necessary stats up here. You can show advanced stats. And then also right here, we have the trading journal. So you can just press this. And then how was your trading day? A to F. And focus, discipline, whatever, morning plan, you write, recap what actually happened, lessons. And then you can just open full journal too, which takes you here. And then you can add a pic too if you want like a picture. So that's there. Then you also have some feedback on what your data says. So your edge is clean, for example, 65% win rate and 44.88 profit factor. So keep going. And then you lose 73% of trades between this time. Okay. So then you know, okay, perhaps I should analyze that time and see what I did wrong. And then, yeah, basically stats. So consider cutting MES because it costs you money in the long term. And here you have a short P&L curve. Then you have your projections. So if you keep going at this rate, where will you be at the end of next month and in 3 months from now? Then you have your calendar. So I haven't traded in May. That's why, you know, nothing is filled in here, but usually this is green or red. And then it says here too, like what kind of trades you took, and you can see your journal and a small little P&L curve. Looks really clean, in my opinion. Then you have your recent trades, essentially that. And then on the trades, you just have your CSV import, or you can add manually if you prefer that. I don't know why you would prefer that. Then you have your trade log with all your trades. Statistics, this is like the real thing. Like here you can only see a small little section, but if you want your real statistics, you can head over here and you have all kinds of statistics that you would want. Also a P&L calendar, so you can click any of these dates and you see what trades you took, and if you click on them, you can see your journal, your notes, your images that you inserted here, and also your recording. So if you use the recording feature right here, which I'm using right now, then it will automatically link to those specific trades, and it will show up here, and then you can rewatch your recording to see what you did wrong or right. So that's that. And prop firm section, here's a short quiz if you want to have like a, if you aren't sure which prop firm to choose, you can just answer these questions, and based on your answers, you will have the most optimal prop firm for you. Recording section, as we went over before, essentially you see all the trades you took. It links automatically based on time, and yeah, you can watch the recording. You can take to, like, let's say 25 minutes, and then you can annotate here, so it will automatically annotate at the 25 minutes mark. So let's say xxx. And then if you go, for example, here, you have your annotation here. So if I click that, it will take you back to exactly that annotation, which I find pretty useful. Then you have your journal section once again. So for example, here you see what you filled in. Here you see your trades that day and your plan, whatever you had, how are you feeling, you can ask that. Here you have your playbook. I haven't really filled this out, but for the people who want a playbook, like for example, you have multiple models, you can insert them here and then add a bunch of pictures, a short description, and you can go here whenever you feel uncertain, and you can see, okay, what's this actually based on, like my data, is this actually a good trade? Here, feedback. So if you have any thoughts on RFI or feature requests or bug reports, you can insert them here. You can leave a review. In settings, you can set your risk, so your average R. So what is one R for you? And then your starting balance, if you want to calculate that. For example, if you're doing a 50K prop firm, this is what you would insert. Here, estimated fees, you can turn these on or off. You can recalculate R multiples after you select this if you have added trades before. and check for updates or delete all trades. And here you see where your data is stored on your local device. So that's essentially that for the app itself. On the web app, it's exactly the same, except you don't have the recording feature. So that's that. Another nice thing is you can see based on percentages, you can see based on R multiples, you can see based on ticks, profits and ticks, and so on. You can see based on today, the past week, past month, and all. And you can also set a custom. So for example, if we want to do like 2 weeks, 1st of April to 15th of April, then you can see your stats for that time. You can also select different accounts, which pop up here. So for example, this is a prop firm account, this is a blot account, and this is my personal. So you can select different accounts there. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. If you have any feature requests, let me know. And yeah, that's it. Free Tradezella alternative. Try it yourself. It's actually pretty awesome. Okay, see you in the next one.